Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the environment. Backup work and close GPU-heavy apps so nothing interferes. Once you have the vendor driver and the downloaded, reboot into safe mode. This prevents Windows from locking driver files. You will run the to remove remnants. This is critical because leftover files cause conflicts. Make sure to choose GPU vendor and target display drivers in the options before starting. Short pauses between steps help you verify each action completed successfully. Once in safe mode, run the and select your GPU vendor. Click Clean and Restart to remove drivers and registry entries. After the automatic reboot, inspect Device Manager. Enable Show Hidden Devices to confirm display adapters are gone. You should also manually remove driver folders like C/NVIDIA or C/AMD and clear temp driver caches to eliminate stale files. This thorough cleanup prevents version clashes. Take your time here. Missing one leftover file is often why installations fail later. You now install the new driver you downloaded earlier. Run it as administrator and select a clean or custom install when available to overwrite defaults. Once the install finishes, reboot again, then open the GPU control panel to verify settings and update any optional components. Make sure Windows Update isn't pending, which can block driver behavior. If things go wrong, try rolling back, installing an earlier stable driver, or check hardware causes like insufficient PSU or high GPU temp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.